Blind Guys, and we're here on the Big Island in Kona. This is the Kona Surf and Racket Club. Installed some cool solar roller shades. So solar roller shades, they're great if you're trying to stay away from the sun and heat. So these are manual control. Simply just pull on the cord or the chain to raise. So we also did a bedroom. Only thing is, when you do a solar roller shade in a bedroom, as you can see during the day you can kind of see out, but at night when you have your lights on, people are really going to be able to see right in. So unless your windows are really tinted, then they might be a good idea, but other than that I wouldn't recommend it. But these are your Bali solar roller shades. Well, that's it for us. Have a great day.